Hi guys, welcome back. Here we are with the motorcycle book. Just kidding, we're not doing that. Like I said last week, what we're going to do is we're going to work on this book some more, which is, it's going to be a book about when my mom and I were over in Europe and the different trips that we took. And the one that we're working on right now in particular is when we went to Normandy, and we also saw some things over in the west of France. So I had said a couple of weeks ago that I was going to show you how to use bags like this and also bags like this in your journals. And I wanted to start off with this bag here. Now this is a glassine style bag, which means that it has this kind of waxy surface on it. You can see the shine on here. And there's a couple of different ways that I could do this. As you can see, the bag itself is too big for the page that I would be working on. So what I could do is I could fold the bag over like this and then just glue it down and be able to write on it right here. Or maybe I wanted to cut out some things and put it over the top, much like I did with this brochure over here a couple of weeks ago. But I think what I want to do is, I was thinking about using this page, but I really like the picture. So maybe I'll just find something else small to go down here to kind of cover that up, because I really appreciate the artist, but I don't really care what it's called. I just really like this landscape picture. So I think what I'm going to use is this dictionary page here that's in the book. And I'm going to use this glassine bag to be able to basically make another tuck spot in here. And this is the postcard flips that we did a couple of weeks ago. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something super clever. It's not clever at all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this bag down over here to the edge, so it's going to end up extending further than the page itself, but not further than the book itself, if that makes any sense. And then I'm just going to glue it down here, and we're going to end up having a pocket. All right, hang on, I'll be right back. All right, folks, I'm back. The only thing I did was I cut off this little strip right here, and actually we're going to use this again, so I'm just going to kind of put this over to the side. But what I have now is this kind of a half a bag. And what I want to do is I want to cut out a little thumb hole, if you will, on the side of this. Now, I do have a circle punch that I could use, but in case you don't have a circle punch, let me show you how to cheat it. I actually started to cut it here, and I was like, you know what? Folks might want to see how to cheat it. So all I'm going to do is pull the bag apart, and I'm going to take my good old scissors here, and I'm just going to come in here and trim it off just a little bit. So basically just cutting out a half circle, and that's it. There we go. So now I'm just going to glue this down. Again, I don't want it all the way up in where the spine is. What I would really like to do is kind of keep it down here, and honestly, if it hangs off down here at the bottom, that would be kind of neat too. Again, not extending past the edge of the book, but maybe extending past the edge of this paper. So I'm going to glue this down here, and next week I'll show you how to decorate this guy up and how to fill it with super cool things. All right, bye guys.